guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. Dollar Tree. Today. All right, let's get going. I buy these all the time, nothing new here. But I really do like these Mediterranean urban spices, and there's only 2 carbohydrates for the whole pouch. So I love those. For me, I love that for me. And do I have anything else food? Yes, I'm gonna try these. These are Joy Burst. I got them in watermelon and peach. It's electrolyte vitamins plus focus. I don't know, there's 2 carbs in here. I don't know if there's caffeine. I mean, it doesn't bother me if there is. But it's Revere Mind and Body. So I thought, hey, fun times. So I grabbed those to try. I don't know when. I needed some baby powder, but not baby powder. So I grabbed this in the baby section. It's cornstarch. It is not baby powder. It's talc free. How about that? It absorbs moisture, soft and silky, all over body protection with aloe vera and vitamin E. I'll try it. It has a good through date, which is weird, but okay. Yeah, we'll try it. I like powder. I like in the summertime or if I'm exercising and stuff. I found 2 of these Parac Cords, black and gray, to make the little danglies that I hang on my purse. And I thought, oh, that's fun. Plus, I have some black and white. I could mix it with gray. So we'll see. But I wanted to try a 2-color situation. So I got that. I found some more of this. They had this last year. It is butter, silky butter compound. It's like slime, but it's buttery feeling. It's very soft. I love it. And usually it has a good smell to it. I don't know what the smell is on this one. It's cloud butter, silky buttery compound. I bought some last year, but I don't know what this scent is. I don't know, but they had several. I'm looking for the smell. But these are great stocking stuffers if you haven't already done so. So I got that. Oh, you're gonna be so jealous what I found. These are the reusable mason jar snack bags. I am excited to see what these are. I saw some other folks hauling them and I had not seen them at my store until this week. Which tells me to tell you, hold out hope, because a lot of times we'll see stuff that somebody else is hauling and we'll think we'll never see it, and eventually it will make its appearance. So these are, what brand is this? Every Holder brand? I don't know. I'll just get a small one out. They come in multiple sizes. So this is 3 of the small ones. So you get 3 small, 3 medium, and 4 small, 3 medium, 3 large. Now I need to see what size is what. Maybe that's the medium. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is the small size. And you have a little pouch sealer. It's a strong one. A little zip at the top. I wish they had, well, do they? Maybe? I don't know. I'm trying to see if it has a flat bottom. I don't think so. It does. Okay, that is perfect. It does have a flat. I need to find something to shove in here. See if that'll fit. Oh, look at you guys. I'm a disaster today. Okay. When you fill it up, there is a flat bottom, so it holds more. The little ones are going to be hard, but you get 4 of the small. And I'm actually thinking travel. These will be handy for a couple because this is the medium. Look how flat they are until you need them. Although zip bags are the same, but I just feel like these will hold, or at least be a little more thick, but we'll see. I also have to put some stuff in some zip bags when I travel so that if it spills, it doesn't get all over my suitcase. So, and I usually just reuse those, but I don't know. I'm assuming these are reusable. You would just have to wash them. But that's the medium. And you get 3 of the medium. And let's look at these large ones. Woo-hoo. Oh, doggy, that is a big one. That would hold a nice airplane snack for a long flight. And that's what I'm thinking. Like for me, I can use one of this size with some nuts and stuff for my flight. As long as nobody calls a nut allergy before I get on. I mean, obviously, if there was a nut allergy, I wouldn't eat them. But that's typically what I bring to snack on an aeroplane is like a nut mix that I get at Costco because it's filling, it's protein, it works. Okay. I want to see how much, I mean, I think I could fit a fair amount in here. Look at y'all, like, shut up about the damn bags. Ooh, look at that. That holds a lot. Okay, I'll stop with the bags. I just wanted to know. So I grabbed 2 packages. Like you do. So I was very excited to dig into these, but I waited. All right. Ooh, I also found for travel, this is Monday brand, and they had shampoo and conditioner. And again, I saw these on somebody else. I'm like, oh, I'll never find those. Sure did find them. This is shampoo and conditioner. They sell it at Target, and it's not cheap. I'll tell you that. And I have, oh, I can't get that off. It's tape shut. I have several trips coming up that I will need, sorry, hang down, that I need shampoo and conditioner for. One of them this summer is a long trip, so I'll need a full bottles. So this will probably be like my trip in May, because there's only 1.69 fluid ounces, which means I could technically carry that on the airplane. Not that I plan on not checking luggage, because I don't. I found this makeup brush. It's a flat one, and I'm going to use it for crafting, for ink, distressing the corners of cards and things. I don't have one of those, but I thought it would be good for that, and 1 is sufficient. I'm going to gift these, but I found them. They are makeup brush heads cover, so I will probably take them to work, but if you look up here, you slide your makeup brush and it protects the brush and it protects the things that it's in a bag with. For me, I don't need anything this large when I travel because I have some small brushes and I only use one brush for blush. So, but I got these to share. I don't have a whole lot more in here. I have some lip stain I wanted to try. It's Be Pure. I do love a lip stain. So this is light pink, and this is supposed to be a caramel color. But it says that you just apply light layers to lips until desired color is reached. And then if you want to remove it with ease, use an oil-based makeup remover. Petroleum jelly, cold cream, or olive oil will take it off. So we'll see. I do like a nice stain. A repeat purchase for me. I grabbed 2 more packs of these 8-pack of Papermate pens. When I make my notebooks to hand out and share with people, these are perfect for that. And you get 8, which is a good deal. And they're Papermate. So I saw them and I grabbed them. Same thing with these, repeat. I send these out with my cross-stitch stuff that I sell on my Etsy store. These are floss, I mean, they're book rings, but we use them for floss rings to hold all of your embroidery floss together. So I hadn't seen them in a while, so I just grabbed 2. And you get 8, so that will do me for a fair amount of time. And, oh, yes. went to do my little pedicure the other day and didn't have a pumice stone. So first I had bought this one, which is fine. I mean, they're nice and firm. It just takes the dead skin off your feet. Nothing major. But then I found a Freeman one that is actually foamy. It has soap already in it, and I thought I would give that one a try as well. So I just put them under my bathroom sink. I must have threw my last one away. I don't like to leave them around terribly long. I mean, I wouldn't say I use them once, but I definitely don't leave them around for 6 months with skin. You know what I'm saying? I'm just digging in here, friends. I'm digging in. For my vacation, I grabbed this little set of Unoo Go because it's small when we go on our cruise. So now I have Yahtzee, Unoo Go, I have a deck of cards, and I have some dice to play like, I have left, right, center, which is another dice game that we like to play. So I figure between all of that, which won't take up much room, we'll have plenty of space. I grabbed some more of these when they come out. I love these. I love that they're super long and they cover my sleeves and keep the water out of my hands. I am gonna see my brother on Monday and help a brother out. He is handicapped, and so he can't always clean like I would clean. So I told him I would come over on Monday. I'm off, and I will help him tidy up his apartment. So hence the candle and the rubber gloves, and I got some cleaning stuff, and I will bring it all with me. And is this the last thing? This might be it. Yeah, I guess. I just picked these up. These are Joe Cool. They say they're flushable wet wipes. I don't flush them, but they are really handy to have when you're on the go. I'm on the go a lot, and sometimes you just want to feel fresh, and sometimes I don't. And so I like to have something of this ilk with me. It says, though, that they're chili mint, and that terrifies me just a little bit. Not gonna lie. Terrifies me, the thought. It doesn't smell too minty. I'll let you know, but I read that and I was like, maybe that's why you're at the Dollar Tree? Who knows? But it's Joe Boxer, which is a name brand, so if you need some stocking stuffers, that would be fun. Like dude wipes, basically. But, it says it's okay to flush, but I'm not ruining people's plumbing. So I grabbed those, and that's it. That's everything I found. I stopped kind of buying Christmas stuff unless I saw something that was incredibly gonna be beneficial or useful. Actually, these go in the kitchen. Then I didn't need any more Christmas stuff. I'm gonna leave that down here. Look at me, I'm organizing while I'm staring at you. All right, guys, that's everything that I got at the Dollar Tree this week. You're probably seeing this on Christmas, so Merry Christmas. I hope you had a fantastic day. And if things aren't great and Christmas isn't a fun holiday, I hope you had a peaceful day. And just know that the New Year's around the corner. All right, guys, I'll talk with you later. Bye.